Mmm. Sarap at amoy pa lang pala. Masarap na ang aking nilutong laing. Yummy. Sarap. Guys. Laing. Yummy, laing. Ulam ngayon guys, for today's video, laing. Dami niyang sahog. Dilis at saka daing.